to Hong Kong, and it's a grey day, but apparently it's been raining for the last few days. I'm back at the Peninsula, 2407, and look, they know what I like to read, the New York Times and the Financial Times, and they know that after a flight that was just under 12 hours and with timing and going to a concert tonight, I might be a little peckish. And I might like to play mahjong. They do think of everything. So let's go round and see what else we've got in this lovely suite. There's a half bathroom to entertain all my guests. And there's double sitting to sit here and just look out at the grey view. But actually I'd rather stay in. There's so much going on here. Oh, and look, I've got my initials on the pillowcases, the lovely pale grey, and I've got a blanket. Now that is a first. Isn't that beautiful? My own blanket. The Peninsula has always been tip-top when it comes to technology, having a cat flap so messages and papers come in, and plenty of storage space. A suitcase can stay there without disrupting anything. Oh my goodness, look, in case I didn't know who I am, I've got my name on my hairbrush. Pale yellow robes. I like white at home, but it's really nice to have a change. I've got my initials on all the towels. This is a different format from some peninsulas, which have the shower diagonally across a corner. This is a corner suite, and I can lie in the bathtub, close the blinds, and have a lovely bath with a candle and 3 kinds of bath salts. Here we are, and an orchid